Hello, I'm Aini and I work as a learning designer at a technology company that specializes in edutainment. Edutainment is a term that combines education and entertainment. Educational games have a special place in my heart because I used to teach part-time at a local education center before joining DigiPen Singapore. I noticed that my students aged 3 to 12 always became more engaged when games were involved in our lessons, and I wanted to improve the learning processes for them. My passion for edutainment also grew while working on my final year project in Poly. My team and I worked with a client from KKH to design a game for pediatric patients going for surgery. The objective of that game was to help these young patients feel less anxious while familiarizing themselves with what to expect. The project made me realize the power of serious games, and I applied to DigiPen Singapore to learn more about game development. At DigiPen, I took classes in user experience design, programming, project work, and narrative writing. These were some of the areas that I wanted to improve on that could help me in my career. I also worked with my teammates to build and playtest our games from scratch. These experiences gave me the confidence and capabilities that I need for my role as a learning designer today. I am proud to be a DigiPen Dragon, and I'm inspired to continue making education fun, one game at a time.